By 2025, artificial intelligence will transform our homes. Imagine everything from cooking to cleaning being automated. AI will predict your needs, like craving pizza at 8 p.m. Exciting, right? But there's a downside. AI will know everything about you, your habits, likes, and desires. This means your privacy could be invaded in unimaginable ways. Is convenience worth this cost? In entertainment, AI will revolutionize experiences. Picture AI-generated concerts with your favorite artist, or blockbuster movies with unpredictable plot twists. We might never need to leave home again. The biggest shock? Jobs as we know them are vanishing. AI will handle mundane tasks, freeing humans to create and innovate. But what about those losing jobs to machines? There's hope. By 2025, technology will connect us like never before. Virtual reality will make it feel like you're in the same room with anyone, anywhere. Long-distance relationships? Solved. Here's the big question. Will we embrace this future or lose control to technology? AI's predictions for 2025 may seem impossible, but what if they're true? What do you think? Will AI's predictions come true, or are we heading for disaster? Share your thoughts.